My name is Rowan Miller, and I attend Freeland High School, and the program that I'm taking here at SCC is the Nursing Occupations Program. I chose this program because I heard of it from my friends. They always spoke great things about everything that they've learned in this program, and I wanted to explore. I have college coming up soon as I'm a senior, and I wanted to see if this is something that I could pursue in my future. I've gained a lot of skills. We have done CNA skills, so I've learned bed baths, I've learned how to walk people with a gait belt, and so much more. We've also studied a lot of anatomy and physiology, and we've also studied psychology, and I've also gained a lot of communication skills, and it's an overall fun experience, and it pushes you out of your comfort zone, so it's definitely made me more social and interactable. A project that made me feel proud through this program was going to HOSA. I was able to collaborate with a couple of my classmates, and we did a presentation on body insecurity and eating disorders. We were able to learn a lot from this project, and it was fun to dress up nice and be able to present what we learned to the judges. It was overall a really exciting moment. Being in this program at Saginaw Career Complex has definitely pushed me on a better path towards my future. I wasn't really sure what I wanted to do in college past high school, and so I took this program to see if this is something that I'd want to continue, and I've really enjoyed the program. So next year I will be attending Michigan State University as a pre-nursing student to continue down the nursing field. I myself was unsure of taking this program, and I decided to take the risk, and it is something that I really enjoyed, and I think that it is 100% something that everybody should try. You really get a lot of hands-on experience in this field, and even if it is something that you don't enjoy, you can get that out of the way, and you don't have to waste any more years on it after this. And if you do enjoy it, then it's a great step into your future career.